What's up, everybody? It's your girl saying.
It's Dan, and this is Positive Vibes and Good Times.
Yes, welcome everybody. Hi, how's everybody doing?
So we just got off the Lady O herself, the new amplified Oasis of the Seas.
Yes.
Royal Caribbean, they did a good job on this one, guys.
Thanks, Royal, for showing me a good time.
We had so much fun. We're trying to relive it a little bit right now. By drinking a little Miami Vice, we made it home.
Yes, it reminds me of the boat. All I just need is a little music, maybe, and to get it going.
So guys, we're gonna bring you our positives and negatives on this lovely ship.
The new amplified Oasis of the Sea.
It was awesome. That's all.
Yes, it was.
That's just what I'm
ready
say.
to go again.
Yeah,
Sorry, don't judge me.
It's time to book another one,
yes.
guys. So guys, with our positives and negatives, I'm starting off with a bang. The lime and coconut, my favorite upgrade of all the Oasis.
Yes.
So awesome. The seating, the cabanas, hot tubs on the 16th deck. First Oasis class to have that. Loved it.
It was pretty nice.
Hot tubs were actually best on the whole ship because they were new, so all the jets worked really good. But sitting in the cabanas,
just relaxing,
man.
It's like you was in your own space.
Paradise.
Nice. Every time I went there, I felt like I was at the club from deck 15 and 16.
Yeah.
I felt like each floor I was there. I mean, the music, the painting, everything. It was everything.
The bartenders, everybody just had a great vibe.
Yes.
Positive vibes all over the lime and coconut.
The lime and coconut,
yeah,
yes.
That was a good one. So what would you say was probably your most favorite thing of the ship?
Well, my favorite thing was dinner time.
We love to eat.
We went to eat at the main dining on deck 5, and our waiter,
Kev.
Let's go. Enrique.
Yeah. They were number one.
Hey, you're not recording.
So glad we
so glad.
Perfect. And I understand main dining room. You never know what waiters, wait staff you may get.
But that was my favorite because once we sat down in that chair,
VIPs. We felt like VIPs, y'all.
The whole time. We was the last to get there and the last to leave.
Yeah.
It was pretty awesome.
First to get there, last to leave.
Sorry. But yes, that was my favorite part.
Yeah.
Of the boat.
They really did make us feel great.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
If something was wrong, which not very much was,
they took care of us.
Right away.
They took care of us. No
with
problem.
happiness, and
I loved it.
Made our vacation feel great.
Yes.
Alright. Well, here we go. We're going to move on to a negative. Cats. I just really wish we would have upgraded from something that wasn't cats. I understand there is a big following for cats.
Cats. I'm shaking my head now.
It's just, no offense to the performers, just don't
no
really...
offense to the show.
You know, it just didn't really do it for us. On a cruise ship too, we really like the high-flying live action shows. They're a little more I guess our speed, but cats has got to be.
No.
What would you say your negative?
My negative is when we reserve the show, and if you're not there in 10 minutes before the show starts, you lose your reservations.
Now understand the whole standby line.
It's so much to do on the boat, and every moment you're doing something, and some stuff is time consuming, some stuff faster than others.
Yeah. So yeah, I can see that. That kind of goes right along with the shows and stuff.
I mean, you leave your cabin, which is in the front of the boat, and the show is in the back of the boat. It's gonna take 10 minutes to get from there, you know. So it's kind of one of my negatives. That's really one of my negatives.
Back to the positives, guys. We're gonna keep, we like the positives on Positive Vibes.
Good times.
Obviously. So what you got?
The adult area. The solarium.
Yep.
It's the same spot, same food, same eatery setup in the inside, but they expanded the deck.
It's right at the front of the boat, so you're catching all the wind, which can be nice or bad, but
whatever your choice, whatever you prefer.
Actually, we watched the fireworks up there too, so I did do a video on the whole fireworks show that they showed us before.
And we can show you guys a link down below.
Yeah, a lot of lawn chairs to actually sit out there and sunbathe if you like to do that.
Pretty nice, you guys.
It is a cool spot. I really enjoyed that. So since you went adults, I'm going kids. So not only did they upgrade the whole kids like area for learning and all that good stuff.
It's crazy because they got PlayStations, Xboxes, TVs, all in this room for these kids.
But the little kids got a whole new water play set, like splash pad, that type of thing. 2 big buckets dropping water, a pretty big water slide for the kids area, a really big upgrade from the last Oasis kids area.
I'm gonna throw this positive in. I love standing there just watching the kids being entertained at the water slide. I mean, it was
they did have
overwhelming.
They did have fun. Another thing with the kids, I gotta say is a positive, was the ice cream.
Oh yes, buddy, yes, baby.
So this time, they got somebody specifically from Royal Caribbean handing out the ice cream,
making the cone for you.
On the Harmony Symphony, they had a guy standing there cleaning up after you, but not handing you the ice cream cone. This made the line way more controllable because you got kids that would run up past everybody.
Man, it was crazy.
Kids want an ice cream cone more than adults. I get that, but
now on the Harmony and on the Symphony, it was a couple times I didn't even want any ice cream because I was like, oh no, it was just nasty. But now, good job, Royal.
Yeah, good job, Royal. So I guess with the food thing, I'm gonna take it into a negative on the food thing. The hot dog buns at the Boardwalk hot dog place. That's one of our spots. Like as soon as we go to the ship,
we're like, on that boat, on that ship. Sorry,
straight to Boardwalk. Go get a hot dog. That's when we feel like we made it back on the ship.
Oh, yes.
So we go get a hot dog. We go sit down in our spot near the Aqua Theater.
Disappointing.
The hot dog bun was like a hoagie bun. And there's a couple dogs that would be good for that. But just a normal Coney dog.
Not the ones that we like, the ones we prefer.
The Coney dog was just not right with that big bun. Like that, you already so much food. There's no need for that huge bun. There's no need for a hoagie bun.
Wow.
That kind of had us a little upset because we normally eat the hot dog place once a day. And
and we didn't even go there as much. We didn't even go there as much.
Like 2 or 3 times.
3 times, maybe 2. Can't remember, but I was so disappointed. It was broke my heart because that's our spot. We go there.
Instead of eating the hot dog place, let's go back to the positives. Because Playmakers, Portside Barbecue, which we did a review on Portside Barbecue. You should watch that video for sure. El Loco Fresh. Oh man. I miss having the El Loco Fresh.
That was his spot, you guys. That was his spot.
Make nachos like that. Tacos. Had the whole salad bar.
Condiments, all the condiments that you could think of.
Royal once again.
Good job.
El Loco Fresh.
Yes, love that place.
We had Playmakers on Symphony, and we knew it was solid.
Went there and got all flats.
Yeah.
With no problem.
And this was on Oasis, and we tried whatever the medium hot sauce was. That was pretty good. The next time we tried the Major League. I like that one. That one was better to me.
I like the crisp that they gave me on my wing. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, they had
Thanks, Playmaker.
Pool table, awesome. Like, how do you have a pool table on a cruise ship? I think that's pretty cool. Free arcade games, all these little board games, shuffleboard.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
And then like 30 TVs to watch whatever game that they can get in the middle of the Caribbean.
It's
You know,
pretty awesome. Yeah, that was a positive.
I really enjoy Playmakers.
Yes, Playmakers were pretty good.
And then Portside Barbecue, of course.
Yes, thanks Portside.
Flavor was great.
Temperature.
I've heard that was just we got unlucky with that one
It's cool.
from people's comments and stuff, but flavor was great. I enjoyed it. I heard we should have tried the turkey leg, so
it's okay. Maybe next time.
we'll be back. We'll be back on Oasis for sure. For sure.
Your sister or somebody.
Something. We'll be back on it, but we're gonna have to give Portside Barbecue another try. All right, back to the negatives.
Hate to be it, hate to say it, but the last 3 cruises we went on, we got the drink package, the soda machine.
Because of that, from 3 to 5, there's no drinks.
You can't get anything.
But I bet you can still get alcohol.
Oh yeah, you can get that. They got that for you.
Yep.
So the gentleman had to give me a Sprite from the dispenser, and it was so flat. I didn't even drink it. I was thankful.
Yeah, they I will say they did try.
Yes,
they did try.
Yes, they did.
They went to the bar and put some Sprite in there for her, but so service-wise, they did what they needed to do. I get they need to clean it. It was just like, "Urgh."
You know, I just didn't expect that,
Yeah.
but I should think because they do have to. Does have to be cleaned, right? Yeah.
I think I'm gonna throw out our last negative, and then we'll kill the rest with all positives. But the staterooms, they didn't upgrade them, guys. Like,
no, they
I was
didn't.
kind of expecting it. I'm not even saying like big upgrade. I get they want to do closets, stuff like that, but no USB ports. They didn't add any new plugs anywhere. They just kept what was already on it. And
original.
that, it was kind of a bummer. We knew it because we've been on the Oasis before, but I was really hoping that they were gonna do that. One awesome thing about the stateroom, by going on the first cruise after dry dock, we didn't have to wait for our rooms, guys.
No.
We got to walk on the boat with our little carry-ons and put them back on the ship.
Put them in the room.
Just know, if you do book a very first cruise, you may get that luxury.
I really appreciate
that luxury. Was awesome. That luxury was awesome.
Yes, it was.
But I think we're gonna finish with a bunch of positives here, and that's enough of the negatives.
Yeah, but that was good. The negatives, we didn't have many, so that was great. Yes,
they were small.
And little small things that probably could be fixed, you know. So hey.
Yep. So I guess we'll hit them with another of the positives. That music hall, that was a cool venue. Like, before it Dazzles, it was a nice club spot, but it was more of like a club for more of an older crowd. The younger crowds were more like downstairs and Blaze and Club Red. So Dazzles to me was like more of like the 70s and 80s music.
It didn't have that about it.
Where the whole thing just looks very enticing to want to go in there. They got a pool table in there. They had some really cool light fixtures. I thought they were pretty nice.
Yes.
But they ended up having a whole live band in there doing covers. The music hall was a pretty cool upgrade, I gotta say.
It was. All of it was.
Yeah, the whole ship was awesome.
It was awesome.
For sure. What you think about them slides?
They were pretty cool. You know, once you go down it at one time, it's like, go back, go back, keep going, keep going. It's crazy because I didn't really have the intentions of saying, I'm getting on these slides. Yeah, I took bathing suits, but but once I put it on, once I did the slide.
That's just the water slide.
Let's go.
Then you got the Abyss.
Oh, yeah.
From the 16th deck all the way down to the 6th deck.
The dry slide.
The dry slide.
Yes.
Hop in a little knapsack and slide on down there.
Take you on down.
That's a pretty fun one. I definitely recommend going on that. Children of all ages. One of my positives, it doesn't have to do with the ship, but in Haiti, on Royal's private island, Labadee, y'all, we did the zip line.
The largest zip line in the world. Over the ocean.
She did it, y'all.
I did it. Me.
I'm smiling the whole time.
And I'm old lauding the whole time.
Yelling. And we got it on video. And y'all will be seeing that soon. Gotta get that one out there because it's full of laughter. That's for sure. So if you guys do want to see that video, hit that notification bell. Yes. So that way when we do upload it, you guys can
get it.
Yeah, and then all the rest of our videos. And if you like this video, hit that like and that subscribe so you can catch everything we do.
Yes. You have heard some of our negatives and positives. But we also had a few that were yeah. And that was the new Spotlight Karaoke. A great place to go hang out, karaoke, but when it gets crowded,
it's crowded,
hot and stuffy and packed.
Yeah. It could be. They threw it in a spot. It's a good spot. It's just a very tight spot.
Small.
Because a lot of people like to go to the karaoke.
And I kid you not, it was crowded every night.
Every time. They did the trivias in there too, and those get pretty crowded as well. So It was kind of like awesome spot, just
tight.
Yeah. So cool, but meh.
The Bionic Bar. To our purpose, there's nothing to it.
It's cool. It's a cool thing. Like, I mean, you get to watch a robot make your drink. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But
it's
why?
just not. It's not.
Why?
It's not what
I guess.
I'm sorry.
Like, there's a lot of things on a cruise ship that have a lot of purpose. This is kind of
our purpose that is not a purpose.
And then another thing with the Bionic Bar, your bartender may give you a little extra in your cup. The Bionic Bar is going to give you the same exact thing every time. Now, if you like a drink made that way, well, you'll get the same drink every time. So there's the whole.
Yeah.
It's a toss-up on where do you put that, but we wanted to throw that in there since it is a brand new thing on the ship.
Yeah.
But I think we're kind of rounding this thing up. Overall, Oasis, we love you.
Thank you.
You were our first ship, and right now you were our last ship. All right, Royal, you really did it this time.
Once again.
Yep. But we're gonna head out of here. This is Positive Vibes.
And good times.
And we're gonna let y'all go. And we'll talk to you later.
Peace. Oh, Jesus. I'm doing it. Oh, Jesus.